Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a quick unboxing. This is incoming from Chiquita. Like, I haven't looked at it yet. I just cut them open so that we could get into it. So there we go. Luisa had mentioned there was something coming, and oh my gosh, you guys, if you missed Chiquita's sale like I did, you're missing out. Let's just say. All right, let me pull these out. Chiquita does some handmade, oh, there's a note, handmade papers. Look at these colors. So a gift from Luisa, and I added more. Oh, Deborah. Oh, thank you so much, Luisa. Look at these beautiful colors. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Oh, let me see. I gotta look at it now. Look at this. Oh, look at that color. It's not really showing up on camera. It's like a green, blue-green. Oh, this is so pretty. And then her tea dyed or coffee dyed paper. But this color is gorgeous. And then she's got another green. Look at that. You can see the difference in there. There's a green and the yellow. How pretty. Look at that. I love that right there. All this texture, marbling, where the papers were layered on top of each other. So pretty. Look at that. Looks like a fish, like a koi fish. Look at the yellow, is so pretty. Yes, what I needed for my journals. Look at this pink. This pinkish color into a peach, like a peach. That is gorgeous. So pretty. I'm sorry, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this camera is not doing it justice. But there is some beautiful purple. Oh my God. Girl. Thank you, Luisa. Thank you, Chiquita. This is awesome. Adding to my stash because I used up almost all her beautiful colors when I ordered from her last time. But this is such a good amount. Oh my God. Love it. This is my favorite right now. This bluish greenish color. Gorgeous. The purple, of course, is always my number one, but look at that. So please, I'll leave her links in the description below. Look at that green. For Chiquita and Luisa, Luisa does sell stuff on her coffee shop, and Chiquita does her live sales here on YouTube. So the link should take you directly to those spots. Please follow her on Instagram and on YouTube. Oh my gosh, my shirt is getting caught on everything. But look how pretty. Look at these colors. Oh, so pretty. Thank you so much, you two. You blessed me with so much. This is such a good collection. Color-wise and amount-wise. Oh my God, I can't even control myself. This is beautiful. Thank you again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.